Warning, this video contains some controversial facts. Proceed at your own risk because you need to know what this is all about. The Weber Spirit 2 2-burner propane grill in black. Open up the world of grilling. Crazy food and friends are all come over for the holidays or wherever it might be during the summer, and your grill is important. So the Weber has been setting the standard for backyard cuisines for over 30 years. Most importantly, consider the wants and needs of people who matter most, the grilling community. This GS4 grilling system, the power behind the grill, it has an infinity ignition, 2 burners, 2 flavorizer bars, and a grease management system. Now the dimensions here is about 4 feet high, 4 feet wide, 2 feet deep, with the lid closed, approximately 20 by 20 inches. The propane works in a standard small 20-pound tank. Keep the meats tender and juicy and have great outdoor grill taste. If you're not already a barbecue master, this grill is going to do it for you. 10-year warranty. Big promise of no defects, 100% guarantee, parts replacement to you at no charge. The 2-burner grill, not too small, not too big, dynamic. It's packed with features and a 3D interactive assembly instructions. The flavorizer bar is when they're angled just right, catch the drippings and smoke and burn right off and give your flavor more food, that food more flavor. The burner tubes, consistent gas flow provides throughout the grill. You cook evenly all over the cooking grate and comes with an impressive 10-year warranty. The infinity ignition. This is guaranteed to ignite every time. Backed by this 10-year warranty, rest assured, this thing's going to start every time. It's got a built-in thermometer, fold-down left side table, open cart design, a fuel gauge, stainless steel heat deflector, and a panel frame. Customers are loving this. Terrific new Weber built with an assembly. Customers are loving this, like trading up to a Mercedes. Now hold on, wait, you don't want to miss out on this because you're almost ready. Check this out. I've got a special bonus for you that's valued over $297. It's going to be some free stuff as a thank you. It's easy. All you need to do to get your bonuses here is add the product that's down in the description that you just viewed, put that in your cart. Click on it and add it to your cart. You don't need to buy it, just add it to the cart. You don't need to buy it. Then in the description of this YouTube video, add one-word comment like, wow, fantastic, steak, pork, chicken, whatever you want to do. Put that down in the description that you're looking at there. And then after that, get your free gift by going to georgepauly.com bonuses, and there is a link a little bit farther down in the description. Now it's your turn. Have a fantastic day. Thank you for watching.